Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Webster bank account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into our Webster bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there, type in websterbank.com and hit on enter, and after that you'll be redirected to the home page of Webster bank. And over here guys, you can see this is the home page, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the login button available for us. Click on that login button and this kind of pop-up will appear where you'll be able to enter your username which you had registered on Webster bank at the time of creating your account. After that, enter your password of your account. But guys, if you have forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password. And if you want to log into your commercial accounts or business account, you can do it from over here by clicking on these buttons. But we'll be just logging into our normal account or the personal online banking account. So to do that guys, after entering your username and your password of your account, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your Webster bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.